Hi, I'm Helge from HPR. Today we're going to look at the 8HP and DCT transmission mounts we offer for custom applications. The name we have for our solution is the HPR Ultraflex rear mount. So just a quick one on all the different variations we offer. This is the DCT Ultraflex mount for the GS7 DCT models. Small frame model, 8HP 45, 50 and 51. 8HP 90, found with the N73 and N74 engine. Here we have one of our best sellers, 8HP 70 mount for the BMW N57, followed by the Dodge variations, 8HP 70 found in the Challenger and Charger, 8HP 90 for Challenger and Hellcat. This is what you get in the HPR Ultraflex mount kit. One piece billet aluminum bracket, 68 Eurometer rubber insulators, and the stainless steel speed sensor and exhaust bracket, and the required spacers and hardware for your application. Let's explore all the possibilities you have with the HPR Ultraflex rear mounts. The rear mount comes with spacers and hardware for your application and is designed to suit all the cross members we have. For custom applications, you can entirely remove the spacers or reduce them in length to better suit your application. For adjustments up and down further than the elongated holes, you can simply purchase 1/2 inch or 12 mm large washers and place between the rubber insulators and cross member. This speed sensor and exhaust bracket is also a very nice feature that allows you to install exhaust hangers on either side. They can be bolted with rubber insulators, or you can weld a fixed mount directly onto this bracket. There's also slotted holes longitudinal for the rubber insulators and speed bracket, and allows you to get the perfect clearance between the transmission casing and the cross member. We recommend a minimum spacing of 5 mm between the transmission mount and cross member. The Ultraflex mount also has flush mount bolts that gives you maximum clearance between the cross member and mount itself. There have been some claims from a company that copies lots of our ideas that the elongated holes will drop over time. This is complete bullshit, as we've stress tested this mount to over 3 tons. The actual result of the stress test was that the rear casing cracked well before the slotted holes moved at all. Just a quick pro tip from HPR regarding drivetrain angle. Getting the correct drivetrain angle for a custom transmission swap is crucial in order for longevity of your drivetrain joints and in order to eliminate vibration. What you do, you simply download the Tremec Toolbox app, you enter the drivetrain angle finder, and there's even a diagram on where to measure. You take 3 measurements with your smartphone, and then you'll come up with a drivetrain operating angle. The drivetrain operating angle should come up in green. If it's in red, you simply adjust your Ultraflex until you have the perfect angle.